We'll go to the infix, prefix, and postfix expression. Infix means to add a, b, we write a plus b. To multiply a, b, we write e star b. The operators plus and star go in between the operands a and b. This is infix notation. Prefix. Instead of saying a plus b, we could say add ab and write plus ab. Multiply ab would be written star ab. This is prefix notation. Next, the third one expression we have is postfix expression. Another alternative is to put the operators after the operand as in a plus b. Like we can write it in alternate way as ab plus and ab star. This is the postfix notation. So we can see some of the examples. Infix, bracket. These are the examples for infix, postfix, and prefix. Infix, bracket, a plus b, closing bracket, star c. A plus opening bracket, b star c, closing bracket. Postfix, a b plus c star, a b c star plus prefix, star plus a b c plus a star b c. Infix form will be having identifier, operator, identifier. Postfix form will be having identifier, identifier, operator. Prefix form will be operator, identifier, identifier. Let's see the steps. This is the procedure to convert from infix expression to postfix expression as follows. First step, scan the infix expression from left to right. Second step, A, if the scanned symbol is left parenthesis, push it onto the stack. B, if the scanned symbol is an operand, then place directly in the postfix expression, that is the output. C, if the simple scan is a right parenthesis, then go on popping all the elements from the stack and place them in the postfix expression till we get the matching left parenthesis. D, if the scanned symbol is an operator, then go on removing all the operators from the stack and place them in postfix expression if and only if the precedence of the operator which is on the top of the stack is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scanned operator, and push the scanned operator onto the stack. Otherwise, push the scan operator onto the stack. So we'll see some examples. Infix to postfix conversion with brackets. So these are examples. Infix to postfix conversion, infix notation. If you have, bracket a plus b bracket closing bracket. The postfix notation will be a b plus. Infix notation a star opening bracket b plus c closing bracket. Now we'll see how the postfix notation will be done. It will be a b c plus star. Infix we have is opening bracket a plus b closing bracket star c a b plus c star. We'll see the infix to postfix using stack. We have the infix notation as a plus opening bracket b plus c opening bracket. We have the stack. The postfix notation is a. As per the algorithm, we have the first operator which will be pushed to the stack. Then we are going to see the opening bracket. Opening bracket will be taken as it is, and it will be, as it is an operator, it will be pushed to the stack. B is an operand, so it will be put in the postfix notation. The next operator that we have is plus. Now plus will be compared to opening bracket, and then it will be pushed to the stack. Next we have is an operand C, and C will be put in the postfix notation. Now in this case, when we have the closing bracket, all the operands which has been put in the stack will be pushed, will be popped. Plus will be popped. When we are placing it, it will be compared with this particular operator. So instead of placing it in the stack, all the operator, that is plus opening bracket, will be popped out of the stack. So the first operator, we are not going to place the closing bracket, but the plus will be popped from the stack and will be placed on the postfix notation, and as well as we are not going to place the opening bracket. As there is no other expression, we will be ignoring the opening bracket, and then we will be placing the star. We'll see a bigger example. Just now we saw a simple example, a plus a star b plus c divided by d minus e. We have two opening bracket and two closing bracket. We will be placing it as characters. We will be keeping it in the columns as characters, stack, and postfix expression. So already we are keeping the expression, which is an infix expression, in the place of the characters. And then let's start. So here what we are going to see in this sense, it is an operand. We are not going to keep the operand in the stack. So initially the stack will be empty, and then we will be having the operator operand A into the postfix expression. Then the second is the operator, so it will be pushed to stack, and in the postfix expression we will be having as it is A. Then the next thing is we have is the opening bracket. So the opening bracket will be pushed on top of star, and you have the postfix expression A. Then we have a operand B. So B is a operand. So postfix expression we will be having AB, and the stack we will be having star opening bracket. The next operator we have is plus. So it will be pushed to the stack. We will be having in the stack a star opening bracket plus. And postfix expression will be as it is AB. Then C is a operand. So we are going to place it in postfix expression, the operand C after A, B, C. Another one is a division. So division, as it is an operator, it will be placed in the stack after plus or on top of plus. Postfix expression will be A plus C. We can see here we have encountered another opening bracket. So the opening bracket will be pushed to the stack. So you can see the various operators we have in the stack. In this particular step, we have star opening bracket plus division opening bracket and postfix expression A, B, C. Next we have is an operand, that is D. D will be placed in postfix expression. Next we have is minus, which we cannot compare to the opening bracket. So it will be in the postfix expression we will be having A, B, C, D. Next we have is the operand E. E is an operand, so it will be placed in the postfix expression where we will be having A, B, C, D, E, and the stack we are going to have star opening bracket plus division opening bracket minus. Now we have encountered closing bracket, so let us see how it will happen. Now there is only one operator between the opening bracket and the closing bracket, that is minus. So minus will be popped out from the stack and it will be placed in the postfix expression. Let us see. Star opening bracket plus slash, we will be ignoring the opening bracket, then the minus will be popped out and it will be placed in the postfix expression. So we will be having in the postfix, the expression will be A, B, C, D minus. Now again we are going to encounter the second closing bracket. So let's see the two operators that we have between the opening bracket and the closing bracket is plus and slash. So let us see the expression. Star plus and slash will be popped out. So when we see, it is on the top, it is on the top. So in this we can see as slash is on the top of plus. So the first operand that it will be popped out is slash, and then the next operator that will be popped out is plus. we will be not placing the opening bracket in the postfix expression. Then we have only star, the operator which is left in the stack. So that will be placed in the postfix expression as the last operator, and the stack will be empty. Let's see another example to understand it better. Transformation of infix to postfix. So we'll see, we have taken a simple expression. This is an infix expression where we will be having $4 star 3 minus 3 plus 8 slash 4 slash opening bracket 1 plus 1 the closing bracket, and we have the postfix string, and we have a stack. So this conversion or transformation is by using the stack. Now what we have to do is 4 is a constant, so it will be added to the postfix string, and only the operators will be added in the stack. So we are scanning first the or first the constant as 4, it will be in postfix string. The next we are going to scan is a dollar. So there is nothing to get compared, or we don't have any operator which is present in the stack, so it is only the dollar. So dollar will be placed in the stack. Next, the constant we have, or the next digit that is scanned is 2. So 2 is a constant, so it will not be placed in the stack, it will be placed in the postfix string. The next operator that we are going to scan is star. Star, we are going to compare it. When we compare it, dollar has got the higher hierarchy, so the dollar will be placed in the postfix string, and we are going to push star operator in the stack. So this is the process how it will be done, and star will be on the stack. The next digit that we are going to scan is 3. 3 is a constant, so it will be placed on the postfix string. Next operator we have is minus, and we have to compare minus and star. So star is having higher priority, so that will be placed in the postfix string, and minus will be pushed to the stack. So let us see, it is star is been placed in the postfix string, and minus is placed on the stack. 3 is the digit that is been scanned, and plus again we have 3 is been scanned. 3 is a digit, so it will be placed in the postfix string. And then we have the next operator after the scanning of 3 is plus. Plus and minus is having the same priority. So what we will do is we will be popping any one of the operator, that is minus, which was already there in plus, already there in the stack, and plus we are going to add it to the stack. We are going to scan the digit 8, and 8 we are going to, as it is a constant, we are going to place it in the postfix string. Then we have the slash operator. So when we compare slash and slash and plus, so we will know that the hierarchy of plus is not greater than slash, so we will be pushing slash on top of plus. The next digit that we are going to scan is 4. So 4 is a constant, it will be placed on the postfix string. Then we have slash. So you can see there is 2 slash, it will be compared, it both will be compared, and the hierarchy of slash is equal to slash. So we will be adding the slash to the postfix string, and we will be pushing the second slash on top of plus operator, and then we will be scanning. Here what is happening in this is we have scanned the opening bracket. Opening bracket will not be compared, but it will be pushed into the stack, and already we have the operators plus and slash. The next digit that is scanned is 1. 1 is a constant, so it will be pushed to the postfix string. Next we have is the plus. This is the operator which is scanned. It will be compared as the hierarchy of plus is not greater than opening bracket. It will be pushed on top of the opening bracket. Which operator? That is plus. Now 1. 1 is a constant. It will be added to the postfix string. The last operator that is scanned is the opening closing bracket. So we can see whatever the operator is there between the closing and opening bracket, that has to be popped out. So we see there is only one operator, that is plus. So the plus will be popped out and popping plus from the next. Thank you.